Owino, Member of Parliament, Embakasi East constituency. I want to take this opportunity to talk for the police officers in this country. Last few months, the Inspector General of Police, together with the National Police Service Commission, announced an increment in salary for our police officers. To the shock of the police officers, they were duped by the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Koome, having added only 1,000 Kenya shillings to the salaries of these police officers. After adding 1,000, they deduct 2,000 in form of pay. Honestly speaking, which country are we in? In law, the doctrine of Nemodat quod non habet rule states that you cannot spend what you don't have. Why would you add 1,000 Kenya shillings to our police officers and deduct 2,000 Kenya shillings? Why would you con police officers in the name of adding them salaries? This government promised that the moment they get in power, then they would add our police officers' salaries. To the shock of all Kenyans, this has not happened, but instead the police officers are being conned. The money that they have, the little that they have, is being taken away from them by their bosses. So Koome, wacha kukua mwizi wa kuibia mapolisi pesa zao. Add police officers money. These police officers, even those who killed our people, you can add them only 1,000 after all that work. You must be serious. We are living in a country that is really down. And I'm so disappointed by what happened. As you go around bragging that you've added police officers money, waongeze pesa, a minimum of 20,000 Kenya shillings and above. These police officers have so many needs. They are paying school fees, they are paying, some are paying rent, they have other needs and other bills that they must cater for. Therefore, you must respect their service. And to you police officers, saizi tunawatetea hapa. Hii maneno ya kukuja kuua watu wetu muachane nayo. Mkiambiwa mpige tear gas kwa watu wetu, piga hiyo tear gas huko kwa Askari huko juu. Usipige watu wetu tear gas. Asanteni.